Hello and welcome. Today we're going to go through the top 3 mistakes with affiliate marketing for beginners. So, number 1 is that you need to choose the right niche. So, I find that the best way to think about this is your mess is your message. So, whatever you have been through, whatever you struggled through, whatever you have a lot of experience with, that should be the thing that you're trying to promote. So if you are you've been through trying to build up a website, or you're trying to learn how to do sales or marketing, or you're learning to sell products through e-commerce, and you've been through that journey and you've struggled and you've figured out a way to do it, that's the thing you should be selling, because you understand your market much better. Number 2 is that a lot of new beginners struggle with cloaking their links, their affiliate links, and they often just put naked affiliate links on the page, and a lot of places don't like that. Their accounts will get banned, or people won't want to click them because they're long and confusing. And number 3 is that you don't like being pushy. So a lot of beginners can just sort of bath their links everywhere, all over the page, and without giving any value beforehand, without building any trust with the people. So in a moment, I'm going to go through everything now, and then in a moment, at the very end, we're going to give you a little treat, extra special deal. But there's a whole bunch of fantastic products that will help you with your affiliate marketing journey. So number 1. So if you are struggling to be in front of a camera and putting something together to promote on YouTube, you can use a product called Pictory. There used to be one called Vidnami, which is no longer around. Pictory is very similar. So what it will do is it will read any content you give it. So if you have any long form sales letters or any blogs, it can convert all those words into a video, and it will pull together a whole bunch of little videos and pictures and things like that. It can even do the audio for you as well. And you don't have to speak on camera. And then the next one is Lumen 5, which is a similar sort of product. So it bundles together a whole bunch of various videos. It's a really good video editor. It's easy to use, very intuitive for beginners. And if you don't want to do it yourself, there are a couple of great services out there. So Fiverr is one of them. And the other one is UpWork. So these are places where you can pay people very reasonable rates, usually outsourced to countries where wages are a lot lower. And you can get people to do all this sort of stuff, make videos for you, write content for very, very reasonable prices. So with the content as well, you can get your content written for you by bots. So you can get AI to do it for you. So Peppertype is one of them, where it uses some Javas, which is a type of AI that writes content for you. It does headlines, it does abandoned cart sequences, email sequences. It will write the copy on your page. It'll do blogs, a whole bunch of really, really good stuff. And another one is GaryAI as well. Similar sort of product as well, and reasonably the same prices as well. So personal preference, whichever one you prefer. I personally think GaryAI is quite a good product. Peppertype's a little bit newer, so it'll be interesting to see how they go in the market. And one of the other ones, which I'm a huge fan of because it's a lifetime deal, so you buy it once, you don't have to pay a subscription fee, is CopyPro, which have partnered up with CopyPro and are offering a few extra little features by being with that as well. So at the moment they're offering the whole product, which is written by an expert copywriter. Normally one piece of copy will cost you thousands of dollars, and then you do the whole product for $9.97 for life, no further fees on that one. So well worth looking into. The other thing we talked about was the cloaking of affiliate links. So there are a number of different products out there which will allow you to change your long, jargony, hard to remember link into a nice short link that's easy to read. So one of the products is called Bitly. So you can go through that one. TinyURL is another one as well. And then you've got Rebrandly. And then Switchy. So this is one of the things I was saying to look out for. So Switchy currently on a platform called AppSumo are doing a lifetime deal for Switchies, so you won't have to pay a subscription, which I personally purchased, and I think it's fantastic. It allows you to do a whole bunch of things. You can track links with pixels, Facebook pixels. You can add your own personal custom domain. You can cloak links, which is great. So when someone follows a link, it still shows your custom link in the address bar, even when you're on someone else's page, which is great when you're going to affiliate offers. You can also add your own descriptions, pictures, favicons, a whole bunch of really cool stuff. So well worth checking that one out. I'll leave a link for it in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you like this content and you'd love to see some more. And also, leave a comment down in the descriptions below if you have had any issues with learning affiliate marketing, what's your main sticking point, and if you really liked any of these products, you'd like us to go into further detail on any of them, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear it, and we will see you in the next one.